Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so nice to have you guys here. If this is your first time, please make sure to like, subscribe and share. Today we are actually making native rice. Yep. If you're African, if you're Nigerian, you definitely know what that is. So first of all, we're pouring our red oil in. Don't leave it on for too long on the fire. You don't want it to bleach. That's not the goal, right? Yep. And then we'll turn our onions in and our pepper and let it fry for a little bit. Next we have our bell peppers. We'll put that in and then we'll also let it fry. And just leave that to cook for a little bit. Now we'll add our fish and whatever protein you have, just throw it in there. Like I added shrimps. Add your pepper mix right after that, just so we can get everything to fry all at once. Now the pepper mix has previously been steamed, so you just allow everything to fry for a little while. Make sure it doesn't burn though. Next I added crayfish, just for that extra taste. So crayfish actually adds taste to food, so you might want to put crayfish before you start putting like your seasonings in. I think that's a trick anyway that I use, but whatever works for you. Now we add our seasonings, your salt, your curry, thyme, pretty much whatever you usually would use to season your food. So now is the time to throw it in. I put in 2 cubes of Maggi, but really whatever season you normally would love to use, just go ahead. Next I throw in my already grilled meats, so it pretty much just came out the oven, so I just threw it in like that. Anyways, I throw it in, stir it once more. In goes my already boiled rice, and then I put it stir together. So this is not the regular rice actually. I don't even like this rice because it's really soft, But yeah, you can just pour your rice in. This is not the regular Nigerian rice, I meant to say. You just pour your rice in and just stir it together. And then pretty much cover it to get, the pot, and then let it cook. Next we add our fish. So this is is it kwanla they call it? I think it's called kwanla in Nigeria. But yeah, you add it's pretty much smoked mackerel, Jerry. So you add your smoked mackerel, before you cover it for it to cook together. Some people like to add vegetables too, like ugu, I think they call it pumpkin leaves. But obviously I didn't add pumpkin leaves because I don't have access to pumpkin leaves, so let's keep that all together. So the next thing I do is I cover the rice in foil and basically just cover the pot, put it on low heat, and let it cook. So I do this because one, I don't want it to burn, but I also want the rice to soften a bit, without overcooking. Because like I said, this rice is it's different from the regular rice anyways. See the steam from that pot. Oh my goodness. And it looks so good, guys. It tasted even better. Alright guys, we have come to the end. Thank you once again for staying through to the end. Thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing, and for sharing. I really enjoy all of this. So till we see you again, this is how you make native rice. Bye.